Hello, it's Mark from Cars and Cameras, and we're going to take a look at the brand new 6th generation iPad mini. I really like these iPad minis, and this one is supposed to be the best one of all. It has the new 8.3-inch liquid retina display and also features the A15 Bionic chip, which is 80% faster than the previous generation. And you can see it does come with a charger, and it is USB-C, and that is one of the faster chargers. You can also use that for your iPhone if you have one. And let's go ahead and get this thing unboxed and take a look at it and see how it is. So it's kind of like a mini iPad Pro is kind of the design of it, which is kind of cool. I like the flat edges on it. It is really nice. And let's go ahead and fire it up. What's really nice about these is it has speakers on both sides, and we're going to check that out in a minute. So let's go ahead and fire it up, and let's take a look at that display. It is a really beautiful display. Well, when the iPad is smaller, you know, the pixels are a little closer together, so, and then the sound out of it, the sound is actually pretty decent. So this is a really nice iPad. So if you're thinking about getting an iPad mini, this may be the way to go. It is a really beautiful display. I'll give more of my thoughts on it in a couple of weeks. But right now, just taking it out of the box and testing it, I like it a lot. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to tune back in. Got a lot of videos on a lot of Apple products. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.